How to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, open up your Cash App application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into your Cash App, in the interface, select the house icon at the bottom, from which you need to select Add Cash. Then enter the amount of cash that you want to add to your Cash App using your Walmart gift card. It will be the amount of money the Walmart gift card values for. Then simply click on Add. Next step is to simply add your card detail. That will include the card number, expiration date, and the CVV. If for some reason you are not being able to cash out using your Walmart gift card, you need to follow the next steps. So firstly, sell the gift card for cash. Online marketplace allows you to sell gift card for cash at a discounted rate. Once you sell it for the cash, you can add into your Cash App through your linked bank account or debit card. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.